Hello everyone, my name is Sam and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, this is going to be my future workshop. Really? So, while that thing is working and apparently it's not turning off so far, I need to really see how long does it take for it to turn off so I can plan my recording sessions in between it. But let's talk about why I have decided to go with this concept and this YouTube channel. You see, for many years, I have seen people from legends like Jeremy Clarkson, DIY fixers like Matt Armstrong, Tuarish, and these people have all done what I always dreamed to do my whole life, and that was to buy cool cars and I can fix it on my own and I can make it my own. I can put my own signature and I have fun with it, and also I can make some business out of it to grow this channel and to have, you know, what I always dreamt of, to be with cars, to go around with cars, to get some new exciting projects, and you know, you never know. Let's see what happens. So this is the place I have rented and I have found it to be the most convenient for my use. It's not big, but it will do the job. Apparently in its previous life it was also used for some sort of a private mechanic's office or something like that. So, you know, it comes with some certain quirks and features, let's say. For example, we have the screws left from the hydraulic jack, and the second one is this big giant blue tank, which is actually an air compressor. It also comes with these kind of outlets, which I think, from what they have told me, in here there used to be like a tire balancing machine. I mean, from the mark it has left on the floor, it kind of matches to what they are saying, but the biggest issue, however, is this floor. So I try to use a jet wash to clean as much as I can, and also try to use some like a industry grade degreaser, soap, bristle brush, name it. And none of these black goo is coming out. I mean, we can see the color that it was used to be from there, but I think this floor is gone. Now, I can always ask for someone to come and paint this floor or retile it, or I don't know, do something about it, but I've decided to take the matters in my own hand.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So I looked at Amazon, and this one had some good reviews about it. I don't know if this is the right product or not, but I have decided to put resin on this floor. I looked at the reviews, I looked at the photos, and I think this is the right one. Let's see. I also got some other stuff that I saw people are using. You need to have some sort of a, I don't know how to call this, like shoes or platforms to put your shoes on, so you don't leave any marks. That removes the air bubbles trapped, and you can use that to spread the resin around. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've seen all of this on YouTube. I mean, I'm just gonna pour the whole thing in, spread it around, and fingers crossed. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Gosh, that thing smells. So I think I technically need a mask for this and something to stir it around and make sure that the whole thing is ready to be poured, and I need to find a way to pour it. How would you pour it? So I've applied the first base coat, and then tomorrow morning we're gonna come back and put the second coat on. I mean, for someone who has never done this job, hey, I'm quite happy with it. I guess we need to put one more coating on it, but for the first base coat, looks pretty good. So I'm not gonna put any time lapse or anything like that for the second coat. I'm just gonna quickly apply the coat and let's see how it's gonna turn out. Okay, and this is after the second coat. I thought I might need to do one more, but I'm pretty happy with this. I don't think we can really do much after this unless we bring some professional help, but I'm very, very, very satisfied with the results, and I guess that's it for the floor. And welcome back to another day. So over the past few days, I was busy running around, making sure everything is tidy. We are ready for our first project. So the workshop is kind of ready, more or less. I already had some other equipment that I kind of procured over the past few years. That hydraulic jack is new though, but the rest I had it from before. There's a little workbench that I need to tidy up to, a bit of tools from here and there, some shelves that I had from before. I bought some lights so we can work on the engines, and I've already bought our first car that we're gonna work on. The car is not here yet, but it's gonna be here very soon, and that's gonna be for another episode. But for now, I guess this is enough for the first episode of this brand new channel. Our workshop is ready, and let's see if one day we can have crazy cars, crazy supercars and hypercars with all of you. So don't forget to like, to subscribe, and if you can, please share this channel to your friends, to your families, and I catch you all in the next episode.